UT Permian Basin graduate student Amanda Dumire is passionate about research, and that's exactly what kept her at UTPB to earn her master's degree.
I started taking classes here just not even with the intention of getting my master's, but just to get back into school and refresh some things. And then I was so shocked with the level of research that they had going on here and the caliber of the instructors, and so they just pulled me in and I decided to get my master's here. I actually took a really long break, about 6 years, in between my undergraduate and graduate degree.
Amanda was born and raised in Midland and earned her undergraduate degree in biology from Baylor. A few years later, she was ready to enter the classroom again. This time, she decided to stay home.
I found right away that the professors were all really willing to engage you personally and make sure that you were involved in getting the level of instruction that you needed. And there was also a lot of research opportunities. It seemed like at Baylor that getting a good research assistant spot was really competitive and something I didn't even try for because I just thought there was no point. But here, I had professors actually pulling me in and asking me to do research and really actively engaging me. And so I really enjoyed that about UTPB as well.
Well, we're immensely proud of Amanda, and we're so thankful that she chose the University of Texas Permian Basin to come back and continue her education. The research is really growing at the university here. I mean, we have 5 research centers that are emerging here, and one of the ones that we're most proud of is biomedical research. The University of Texas system gave us $7 million over the past several years to really go out and hire the best and the brightest.
On top of the biomedical research lab, UTPB has also created 4 other applied research centers: the Natural Resource Center, Cybersecurity, Texas Water and Energy Institute, and the Center for Engaged Teaching and Learning. Each is focused on solving real-world problems.
Well, we have strong science, math, engineering, technology programs here at the institution. Yeah, we have one of the most accomplished pre-med programs in the state. Our students graduate and get into medical school at about a 70% rate. This is far above the state average for pre-med programs, and we're really proud of the work that we're doing in those programs. As I said before, the students do not have to go off to more well-known institutions to get that high-quality academic experience. Our students will leave here with the University of Texas system education, and we're really proud of that.
It's really easy to kind of slip through the cracks whenever you're in such a big class size, and I really enjoyed the ability to have a personal rapport with my professors here, and I feel like I made some really good relationships with them, and have strong mentorship because of it.
Something else Amanda has enjoyed: the strong female leadership in the science programs on campus.
I always really appreciated having my mentor, Dr. Sui, here, who I was able to ask any question and just build an amazing relationship with, and she is so amazing and brilliant, so it was definitely a strong inspiration for me to aspire to. I think it's really important because if you don't see yourself represented, then it's hard to imagine yourself in that position as well. So I don't even know, as a young person, if I really ever thought of scientists as women. I thought of old men with crazy hair in a lab coat.
Amanda is an outstanding biology graduate student, and she is really self-motivated. She is dedicated to her study. I like to mention most of her courses she received A+. Amazing, right?
We have also very strong women in STEM here at the university, from professors and others who really go that extra mile to make sure that our students get the help that they need to discover lots of things as they're going through their degrees.
Whether that's support with financial aid and scholarships or advising and career planning, our team is passionate about serving students and removing any barriers they face in pursuit of their degree.
UTPB will exceed anyone's expectations who comes in. There is such a great environment here. There's a level of instruction that I would put against Baylor or any other university, and there's just so many opportunities for hands-on learning and hands-on engagement that you may not be able to find elsewhere. So I think it's just all around a really good place to grow and set yourself up for the future.
And the future for Amanda looks bright. She plans on heading to Austin to continue her research, hopefully in labs at UT.
I feel a lot more confident after my time here. Like, I've set myself up based on the experience and publications and recommendations that I'm going to be getting. I feel really confident going out into the workforce this time as opposed to before my time at UTPB.
The strength of our programs and the close-knit opportunities that our faculty have with our students here, I think is something that differentiates the university. The professors here know the names and the stories of all of our students. They work really hard to make sure that each one of our students can be successful. They mentor them, they provide the support that they need to be successful, and the university has a very strong track record in making sure that our students who leave here are successful when they go.